You are not your phone. You are not the apps on your phone. You're not the likes, the comments, or the shares on your phone. You are more than your phone. You are a digital detox warrior. And this is a call to arms. It's time to take our life. It's time to break from the shackles of digital addiction. Our real life. The day comes to an end. We find ourselves once again tangles in our hands, scrolling endlessly carefully curated lives of others, comparing, envying, and feeling like our own lives. But why do we do this to ourselves? Look at these people. They're tired. They just want to relax. What do? They reach for their phones, just scrolling, the highlight reels of strange. But there has to be more, doesn't there? More to life than this. You. Put your phone down right now. Just feel the weight of it in your hand. Look at the glowing. Now close your hand around that phone and put it away. Put it away and don't pick it up the day. Don't pick it up the day. Look around you. Look at the world with new eyes. In the mundane. The clouds drifting by. Listen to the birds singing their evening songs. Breathe in the fresh air. Can you feel it on your skin? Feel the breeze, the warmth of the sun on your face. This is your life. This is the real world. And if you're enjoying this, if you're feeling connected to the moment, then don't pick up your phone for the rest of the day. For most of us, though, it's hard, isn't it? It's really hard to disconnect. We feel restless, irritable, like something's missing. We feel anxious, like we're missing out on something important. We feel the urge to check our phones, to see what we're missing. But what are we missing? Likes on Instagram, comments on Facebook, shares on Twitter. What does it all mean? These numbers, these metrics, they don't define us. They're not who we are. They're just numbers. They don't make us any happier, do they? They don't make us any more fulfilled. So here's another challenge for you. Pick up a book instead. Read a few pages before bed. Lose yourself in a good story. Let your imagination run wild. Imagine you're the hero of your own story. You have a purpose, a mission. You go on adventures. You meet new people. You experience new things. That's what life is about, not the little screen. You are a digital detox warrior. It's time to take back control of your life. It's time to set your life on fire with passion and purpose. So many of us spend our days lost in the digital world. But when did we lose ourselves? When did we stop living our real lives? When did we become slaves to our phones? We were meant to be free, weren't we? We were meant to roam the earth, explore the world, have adventures. But instead, here we are, stuck inside, staring at a screen. It's time to break free. It's time to take a stand. It's time to put down our phones and pick up our lives. So here's one final challenge for you. Go for a walk in nature. Feel the mud between your toes, the grass under your feet. Listen to the birds singing, the bees buzzing. Breathe in the fresh air. This is your life. This is the real world. Don't let it pass you by. Don't let the screen become your only window to the world, because you are more than your phone. You are more than the apps on your phone. You are more than the likes, the comments, and the shares on your phone. You are a digital detox warrior, and it's time to take back your life. It's time to break free from the shackles of digital addiction and reclaim our real life. So put down your phone and live. So if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. And also please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any other future videos. Thank you.